Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am here again with another video. I'm making a smoothie this morning for my breakfast. Smoothie. And guess what kind of smoothie I'm making? Strawberry and banana with my Greek yogurt. Yes, and I have a allspice here. I'm gonna put some in there, and I have my milk, around 2.5 cups of milk over here. This is the milk I'm using. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna wash these lovely strawberry. I may not use a lot, so much, but I'm just gonna wash it and see how it look, and then I come back. And I have 4 banana here. I might just use 3. Okay, all right, stay with me. Just wash your fruit when you buy them. Yeah. You also can throw some lemon juice or salt in the water to wash them. You can just cut off these. Cut off these and just drop them here. Okay, here we go. Okay, lovely. Always wash your fruits, guys. Always wash your fruits. I have 4 here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the 4. If I'm going to use the 4, I'll let you know. Okay, here I clean up my banana and my strawberry. Okay, I was saying I'm not going to use the 4 banana, but when I'm peeling the banana, some of it not good, so I end up have to have all of it. So it's like 3.5 banana here, and this is 2 pack of strawberry. Yeah, and my oat milk, my yogurt, and my allspice. All that it need. Okay, for you to have a strong breakfast in the morning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it 2 times. So I'm going to throw some of my milk here. You know, say. And also going to put some of my banana, half of my banana here. Yeah. And half of my strawberry. Yeah. I want it thick. I don't want it too watery. Come on, don't fall. I don't want it to be water. Okay? So I'm going to make something to hold you for the day. Okay, that's good. I'm putting some yogurts. 1, 2, 3. Not everything, okay? Alright, I'm gonna put some spice. Not much. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of spice. Yes. Cover this and see how far this milk can go. If it's too thick, then I can put a little more milk. Okay, let me start. Start it on low. Good to go. Good to go. Looking good. Okay. This is the first batch. I hope it, oh gosh. Ooh, look nice. And here's my jug. As I go, I put into the jug here. Yes, thick enough. Thick enough. Almost full my jug already. Because I use everything, okay? You don't have to. You can use 1 pack or half pack with a banana on your milk. But because I have it here, I'm just making everything here. This is not much. I'm gonna use okay, 2 will do me. 2 will do me. Alright. Just gonna put a little tip here. Alright. I want this one to thicker than this one. I don't put all of the milk. Okay, hold on a minute. Let me put some ice cool. Okay, here's some ice. I'm gonna put the ice here. Okay. So look at my strawberry smoothie. Okay, I'm gonna fill up this one here. Yes, thick enough. Thick enough. Okay. Here we go. One for me, one for my husband. Oh, this fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. That's it. This thing nice enough, you have to drain out everything from in the bottle. Yes. Okay guys, this is my finishing look. My strawberry smoothie this morning. Strawberry and banana and yogurt.
So we're gonna cheers before we start to drink. Cheers
this morning.
Guys, let us taste it. So rich and nice.
Oh gosh. Very nice. This will keep you for the day.
Yes,
okay?
Guys. Enriching. Very lovely.
Very nice. I use everything I put there. My 4 banana I get 3.5, and my two case of strawberry, and around 6 tablespoonful of yogurt, the Greek yogurt.
Quick breakfast.
And my little spice, allspice, yes, with my milk.
Yes,
and I also use around 1.5 cups of milk.
And it takes about 20 minutes to have it?
And some ice.
And it takes about 20 minutes to make, right?
Yeah, here we go. You don't have to make so much if you don't want. But I make it, I can take it for my my breakfast. Okay? So cheers with me. And thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.
And tell a friend.
You. Tell a friend.
Alright,
click the notification bell. Okay? Thank you
subscribe
all.
So you can see more of these videos.
Thank you very much.